Friends, sometimes a photo has the right moment, but not the right quality. Other times you have an idea in your head, but no image that actually matches it. That usually means opening several different apps, editing by hand, or starting over until the output finally looks right. I am Daniel, and today we're looking at Pixella AI. It brings photo creation, editing, and enhancement into one workspace, with video tools included as well. I'll test each feature with real examples and see how practical the final results feel. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. Huge thanks to Pixella AI for sponsoring. Alright, let's get started. Folks, Pixella AI is a creative platform for people who work with visual content and want to keep the process simple. Instead of opening a separate app for every small change, more of the work can happen inside one space. That makes the experience feel quicker and much less fragmented. The platform can help when an idea starts with only a rough concept. A simple prompt can become a finished image, which gives creators something solid to build on. It is also useful when the original photo is already good but needs a little improvement. The image can be cleaned up or transformed without rebuilding the whole scene from scratch. Mates, the main appeal is flexibility. You can start with a new idea, improve an existing photo, or prepare a short visual asset without jumping between different tools. The interface also stays simple, so each feature feels easy to find and test. That makes Pixella suitable for both quick experiments and more polished creative work. It can help with everyday content without turning a simple task into a long editing session. For this review, I will focus on the parts that feel most practical. The goal is to see how well the platform handles real creative tasks and whether the final results are easy to reuse. Guys, let's see how everything works in practice. The first thing I notice is how clearly the creative tools are organized. Instead of digging through complicated menus, I can open the feature I need right away. I'll begin with the image generator. For the prompt, I'll describe a modern laptop workspace with warm lighting, a clean desk, and a cinematic look. This gives the tool a clear direction without making the request too complicated. Pixella brings several AI models together in one place for both image and video generation. This makes it easier to choose a suitable option for each project, while the range of video models is especially useful for creating different types of motion and visual styles. So in this case, I choose GPT Image 2. After a few moments, the output is ready. The composition looks clean, the lighting feels natural, and the overall style follows the description quite well. That gives me a strong starting point, without searching through stock libraries or building the scene manually. Next, I'll upload a real office photo and ask Pixella to make it warmer and more modern. I'm not trying to change the whole room here. I just want the visual to feel cleaner and more polished. As you can see, the updated version keeps the original layout, but the atmosphere changes noticeably. This kind of editing is useful when the original picture is already close to what you need. A few targeted changes can be enough to improve the final look. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. Next, let's test the upscaler. This feature focuses on improving resolution rather than changing the content itself. I'll upload a lower resolution picture and let the tool rebuild some of the missing detail. Once the processing is finished, the improvement becomes easier to notice while zooming in. Edges look cleaner, textures appear sharper, and the image feels more suitable for reuse. Folks, the final feature I want to test is video generation. Instead of starting again, I'll reuse one of the visuals we already created. A short motion prompt is enough to turn the still scene into a moving clip. It adds subtle camera movement without making the animation feel too dramatic. That works well for short social posts, presentations, or simple promotional content. My friends, everything created during the session is saved inside the project section. This makes it easy to return later and continue working on earlier ideas. Overall, the process feels straightforward. One concept can move through several stages without forcing the creator to switch between different apps. So guys, let's wrap up for Pixella AI review. Pixella AI offers a simple way to create and improve visual content without a complicated editing process. The interface feels clear, and each feature is easy to approach. The final quality still depends on the prompt and the source material. Some outputs may need another attempt, but the overall experience feels practical for everyday creative work. What I like most is that Pixella is not limited to one creative task. You can generate a new image, improve an existing photo, and even turn a still picture into a short clip without leaving the same workspace. If you want one place for quick visual edits and short scenes, Pixella AI is worth checking out. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.